Today we're going to show off an ICOM IC2700A installed on a 250 series Land Cruiser. Let's get started. Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota, KD9TAT, broadcasting on 2 meters. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, now that we're inside the car, I wanted to talk about why I picked the IC2700A. A couple of functions that I really needed to make sure that I had. One, it has to look good, it has to look OEM. This particular radio does have a remote detachable head. So this unit is located right here above the wireless phone charger and next to the view button. It fits in nice. It's not a fancy color display, which is perfect. I don't need to have anything that's overly complicated or expensive. This particular head is located right here with the ICOM head mount. The actual radio is installed underneath of the passenger seat. So a couple of functions that I needed. First and foremost was it needed to look good inside the vehicle. It needed to look kind of factory. The 250 series Land Cruiser, US spec at least, has this incredibly useless blank plate that's located right behind the head here. And so this kind of covers that up. Functions that I needed as a requirement, I wanted something that was high quality, something Japanese. I also wanted to have something that was broadcast basically a dual band. I wanted to have something that could be broadcasting on two bands separately. Most importantly, I wanted something that was Mars modded so I could run on GMRS or ham simultaneously if I'm on a group trail ride. A lot of times I'm not going to have the people that are with me may not be licensed with ham, so I can broadcast on GMRS and receive with them, and then have and be operating on ham with the other guys on the front and the end of the line that have 50-watt mobile units. So this unit is Mars modded just from ham radio outlet. It's like an extra $40 upgrade to have that functionality. Also, it receives on 2 meters or 70 centimeters, and it can receive an AM as well. 50 watt radio, independent volume knob for both bands, independent dial knobs for both bands, and independent squelch knobs for both bands as well. So all in all, this particular radio just kind of fit the bill absolutely perfect to what I needed, and I'm very, very happy with this so far. So the microphone that comes with it is the one that I'm using. I didn't feel like there was a need to upgrade it for a couple of reasons. One, I really like the way that it mounts, nothing fancy. It just has a little bit of a hook right here, and it comes with this little metal sticker, so it just slides right in. I have it located on my ZR Tactical MOLLE panel on the passenger side, so all I have to do is just kind of grab it. Can talk on it directly. I like this microphone a ton, and again, it's included with the ICOM 2700A. But obviously, you can get to where you're going through your dial knob, but you can type in exactly what channel you want to broadcast on through this or receive on right here. And also, it does glow in the dark, or not glow in the dark, but it actually is backlit. It may not show up on camera, but the numbers are actually glowing. So if you're using it at night, you can still know exactly what channel you want to broadcast on. And then to put it back, and just clip it right back on there, and you're good to go. Okay, so now that we're in the back of the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and show off how the actual antenna is mounted to this rear liftgate on a 250 series Land Cruiser. So what we're using here is a diamond mount, and then basically this is 2-part VHB tape, which gives a little bit extra protection foam. Also, it kind of tightens down just naturally through the tightening process of the Allen wrench. I like this antenna a lot because if you take a look at the top of the antenna right here, it is actually still lower than the height of the vehicle, and this vehicle does not have a roof rack on it. So we don't have to worry about is it actually going to fit inside the garage without having to bang around. I never take my car through car washes ever, just through a touchless car wash. So I don't have to worry about this getting damaged. Another nice thing too is when it is fully open, you'll notice that there's really a nice threshold here, so there's really it's not hitting the body. There's not really any way that it could hit the body unless I really wanted to maybe pull on it. So I don't have to worry about that whatsoever. But also, eventually I probably will have a roof rack on it, and we don't have to worry about this antenna kind of getting anywhere close to that. So all in all, I think this is a really nice location for this antenna. So what we're using here is a combination of different brands here. So we're using the actual Diamond K400C, I believe. And then also for the mat, we're using a Comet CA 4x2 SRNMO. And so this is the combination that we're looking at right here. I will go ahead and link these part numbers in the comment section so that if anyone wants to buy them on ham radio outlet, you can. And also, if you are not a daily ham operator and you don't want this antenna making your car look a little bit weird, you can just remove this Comet antenna right here, leave the diamond mount as it sits here, and really it'd be pretty incognito and look pretty clean overall. So I'll step back and let the camera